Welcome to another weekly video here at Cunha Fix It. It's too nice a day to spend it inside. I was going to patch some drywall. I'll show you how to patch that, but you know what, let's have some fun this week. Let's make some fire. Enjoy. Okay, so here's my drill press. I'm going to be taking this little brass plug. I'm going to be drilling a hole in it. That's going to be our orifice. That's where the propane's going to shoot through, recruit some air to make fire. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit so that it's not so long. I got to raise the bed. It's a little magnetic parts tray that I keep my chuck key on. I had the bed down too low with double speed. That should do it. We'll go all the way through. I'm really worried about breaking the drill bit here, so I'm going super slow. Probably thinking about putting some oil in there, but yeah. Surprise. There we go. That was easy. Alright. Let's take it to the parts table. Beep boo. Yeah, you can't see that hole. Okay, here's all the parts I got. Kind of just scrap parts. There's the nozzle I just made. Let's put that on this little brass pipe, and that's easy. Well, that'll shoot our propane. What's next? Another union. And I'll put not the union, the valve on it. Well, that's kind of short. Oh, right. It's too small. So, let's put another union on there, make it a little bit longer. And then nipple, and then we'll put the reducer on there. And then the valve will fit. The valve's 3/8, the rest of the pipe stuff is half. And unfortunately, the T I got for the pressure gauge is quarter, so it doesn't fit. I wasn't able to install that beside the
bad idea.
Propane tank connector. Kind of need a hose, I think. Yeah, that's also a tank connector. Yeah, let's use this one. It's a high pressure replacement hose for one of those turkey fryers. Those big single burner turkey fryers that you see making exploding turkeys. So I'll get this all tight. It's not all sealed up yet because this is just a practice. I'm going to take it apart and put it different and try different things, but let's see, a 90, that's probably not a good idea. I've never seen a Venturi on a 90. There's kind of the same problem, but maybe. Most of the reducers I found were T's and were not what's it called? Most people make it with a straight reduction. These are scrap parts. So, there's something interesting there.
Maybe.
That fits kind of just fits. So, can we cut a thread on there with the fitting?
That's not a bad idea.
That's kind of fun. Okay, this might work really well. So let's stick a big pipe on there. So, not sure it'll work well, but it might work because you got, instead of having a cone shaped, I got it going the other way around. It's not as I planned, but I've got that big opening in the side to let the air in. So let's make a pipe here and see what kind of fire we can make. It'd be pretty funny if this just works right off the bat.
Shall we try it?
That probably won't work. Alright, so here's my attempt at making a coal forge. Did get hot enough to make metal red, but it wasn't great. Anyways, let's put this in the vise so it holds. Want exploding propane in my hand. Alright. Hook it up and see if it works. I'm just gonna record this all in one take, so you're gonna hear me sipping coffee and stuff. So let's tighten up that propane tank. So first I open the tank, and then I open the regulator. I think I actually light the little. So I'm gonna use this little camping torch, plumbing torch, as a. Yeah, we don't need that. It's gonna be like a pilot light. So
Okay, I'll be a minute.
just lighting it in case it blows out. I don't want to be shooting a bunch of propane all over. Safety first, right? Have a pilot light. Have propane. Open the valve and stand back. Start opening the regulator. Oh, we have fire. Really? That was easy. Wow. Okay. You can see the heat there messing up. Lock that and got no air. We got fire. That's fun. Fireballs. Probably doesn't show up very good on the video. Let's try this in the garage and a little darker in there. Might be able to actually see the blue fire.
It works!
Crazy how it worked right away. Didn't really expect that. So I've changed it up here a little bit. I put the straight reducer that was gonna be where I mount my nozzle, and I brought it back down to I think it's a 3/4 inch, and then I've got another reducer that happens to be a 90. So in my garage, you can see the blue now. I accidentally lined it up with a camping barbecue pretty nicely there.
See this, but
The problem here is that when I make the fire, once again I got the propane torch beside it, but it's my garage door. Better not make too much fire.
I think I better take this back outside.
Alright, it's back outside.
Can't believe it worked with a 90 on there. Let's try it again without.
I'm gonna try it with a straight pipe on there. So I took the 90 out. There's a big gap between the flame, so this isn't gonna work. It's gonna blow itself. The torch wasn't keeping the fire there. It would be blowing out. So of course I gotta play with it. Use a bucket.
Well, that's fun.
Fire, fire.
I don't know how useful it'll be for a forge. I have to do a little bit of tuning.
Well, it works. Surprise.
Right, well, that was a short video. I didn't really expect the fire to be so easy to make. Yeah, so I expected to do a lot more tweaking, and I didn't expect it to work on the first try. So that was interesting. That's it for now. I'm gonna be building a forge soon. I need some metal and some time, and so I guess that's part one of the forge, playing with fire. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.
Wait, don't go. I got more footage. Sped this up because it's kind of boring. But here we go. I got the torch back out. It's nighttime, so you can actually see the flames. Flames always look better at night. So, yeah, here we go. Light it up. Get it all ready. I just kind of leave this running for a while, so it's still double speed here. I'm just hooking everything up, getting things lined up, and hooking up the propane tank. It was a bit of a rush. I was filming this afternoon because I procrastinated, and then I had to spend some time with the family because family time is important. So, anyways, here we go. Oh yeah, there's the fire. Check this out. So when I crank it up, it blows itself out. So I'm trying like different. I got my fingers over the opening there to change the amount of air it's letting in. But essentially, yeah, this doesn't. It's trying to blow itself out. So that's no good. Let's try taking the skinny bit off there.
Shortening this up a little bit. Might have to get some more of the big pipe.
That's better. Nope. It all doesn't stick. Still learning to edit, so it's fun. Ooh, little backfire there. That was cool. My face wasn't in front of it.
Huh. There's no wasting propane. Come back to this. Alright, I made some adjustments. Made it a little bit longer. I don't have a straight reducer, so I don't know if you can see, but same here. Shrunk it down 90, mixed the propane there even more. Bigger pipe, and I added this little, it's just a coupler, but it expands it just enough. Holds the flame right there. Flame's not taking off way down the road, blowing itself out. Nowhere, lots of air. Nowhere, lots of air. Pretty cool. You can need more air. Well, I got another one. I think this has a bigger opening. Maybe 3/4, 3/4, yeah. Oh, I see. So this is half of 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. So that's pretty cool. Cute little torch, big torch. Nice and warm too. Let's see. See if it'll melt some snow.
All right, I'm gonna stop it here. Basically, the rest of the video would be just me playing with fire. So I'm going to link to another video here where I'm just going to put the raw, uncut, unedited. I'm just going to put all the videos together of me playing with fire and melting a hole in a snowbank. And that'll be that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.